We're in Denver, Colorado at EnerCom's 18th Annual Oil and Gas Conference. I have here with me Myron Stadnyk, President and CEO of ARC Resources. Pleasure to have you.
Yeah, thank you for taking the time to chat. Yeah.
Now, for our viewers new to the ARC Resources story, can you talk about your operations, area of focus, and strategy?
Yeah, I'd be pleased to. So, we've been in Western Canada for 17 years, and we're focused in all our operations in the 4 Western Canadian provinces. And during that time, we've grown our company from about 10,000 BOEs a day up to 95,000 where we're at now. And we have a line of sight to being at 110,000 early in 2014. And, we're founded on some pretty straightforward principles about real high quality assets, and we've initially in a Montney play, which is now attracting the attention of the world, and we're having profitable growth based on that. We're also really unique that we pay a dividend of 10 cents every month or higher, and we've paid that for 17 years and given back $4.8 billion to our shareholders.
Talk to us more about your dividend program. Are you at sustainable levels with your dividend program right now?
Yeah, the dividend's very important to us and to our shareholders, and sustainability of the dividend is very important. So we plan our business around sustaining the dividend. We have a very strong balance sheet with low debt, and we plan how to invest to hold our company production and cash flow so that we can pay the dividend, and then make really thoughtful decisions about taking growth steps and ensuring it's very profitable. So the dividend's factored into the way we do our business. Yeah.
You just reported second quarter 2013 results, marking another period of growth in production and net income. What's driving your success?
Yeah, so our success is being driven off of a real long-term vision and quality assets. And probably the most important asset now is the Montney, which is a geological formation in Alberta and British Columbia. But in addition to that, we have a second largest ownership in the Cardium, which is Canada's largest conventional oil pool. Real level of base oil production in Saskatchewan. And these type of long life oil properties are allowing us to grow our business in places like Ante Creek and the Montney, and in Dawson, Parkland Tower, and Sunrise and Attachie in northeast British Columbia. Those are areas where you're starting to see the super majors move into, and we were there first, and we drilled the first well in 2005 horizontally into that formation, and that's leveraging our success now.
For 2013, you've set aside $830 million in CapEx to invest in your operational program. How will you be allocating capital between all your projects?
Yeah, so to perpetuate that long life oil, we're investing about $125 million in Saskatchewan, $125 million in that Cardium play I talked about. And then we're growing a property called Ante Creek. We're investing $180 million there. We'll grow that 5,000 barrels shortly. And then $320 million in British Columbia, both in liquids, gas, and oil investments, again in the Montney formation. So that's the breakdown of our $830 million. Yeah.
Myron, what near-term catalyst should our viewers be on the lookout for?
Yeah, so there's some exciting things coming up. If you go back to 2009, we've grown our company from 63,000 to this line of sight to 110 early in 2014. The near-term catalyst will be Ante Creek growing from 10 to 15,000 barrels in Q4, and then you'll see a nice jump in Q1 when we bring on Tower, Parkland, and a new gas plant, oil treating facility, and liquids processing facility to take our corporate numbers up to 110,000 BOEs. So that's a relatively short 6 months away.
What other insight would you like to share with us about your company?
Well, I'd like to share, how important people are to the success of oil and gas. It's a very technical company, but it's hyper competitive for the best and brightest people. And I think that's an area I'm particularly proud of with ARC, how our people are contributing to our success, and we're attracting the best and brightest people. And it's really foundational for our continued success. We have a very low attrition rate. Our officer team's very passionate about the business, and in a company that's only 17 years old, most of the officers have been there between 10 and 15 years. So I think the people will continue to drive success at ARC.
Well, we only wish you continued success.
Thank you.
Thank you for being here.
You're welcome.
I'm Quinn Nguyen for oilandgas360.com.